YouTube viewers and random fans. What fans? Woodwork fans, more like it. Just today in the mail, I got the most exciting thing I could ever think of. I mean, like, seriously. So what it is I went on eBay and I bought something I've been wanting for forever. Like, remember Rocco, my friend Rocco's puzzle box? Yeah, I actually got my own one. What? So, I haven't quite figured out how to open this yet. So, this is going to be my experience trying to open it. Yeah. So, I'll let you guys see. Movable. Is there any slight angles, like, remember Henders or Hendrick Ball? I like that guy a lot. Oh, there's a little slit right there, but not sure how that would be. Oh, I just heard a snap. Don't know what that was. Oh, see, right here, that's the box. See, it's kind of opened. See, well, let's see. So it's obviously going to open by one of these sides. So it's not that side, so it must be this side. So let's start with up. Hey! So you can store some stuff in here. Like, for instance, I'll store Slender. Lego Slender. No. Oh, I think that that's the next box. See, those are kind of wiggling. So there must be a piece holding it. Top, the other side. Well, I checked this side, so how could it be that side? Is it this? Oh, I didn't finish these. Oh, I knew it. Yep. So do I? Hey! Woo! We did it! Yay! This is awesome. I mean, really, literally sick and awesome. This is the coolest thing ever. So I recommend buying it on eBay. I forget what this one's called, but it's absolutely awesome and wonderful, and I appreciate it so much. And yeah, thank you for watching this awesome video, I say. Rate, view, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.